Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangawusamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke. Leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke kuze ngaphuthi izindaba ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana lithi-ke o-Action SA-ke laphana-ke usevisi-ke okukhulu-ke laphana-ke ukuthi usayo-ke laphana-ke wafeza-ke okuningi-ke nokungaziwa-ke laphana-ke wafeza-ke obala-ke nge-GNU na-ke laphana-ke wafaka no-Jacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke kuphela into nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wona-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke lo mlisa lo Action SA-ke mase ucindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke. Leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje esolokhu siyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ungawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Uyabona i-collision arrangement yakhe i-GNU inobuhle nobubi. Ubuhle bayo ukuthi it creates stability, but ububi bayo ukuthi it weaken opposition, which then means there is no accountability. Njengamanje there are more than 10 ministers in China. No one is making noise about expenditure of these ministers and how much gonna cost the country. But it's very strange ukuthi parties like the DA, John is in China celebrating to sit with amakomanisi ase-China. The very same party, DA, because I was there, ngiyayazi, we're always against ubuholi buka Jacob Zuma because kwakuthiwa wakha ubudlelwane namakomanisi ase-China. Kwakuthiwa udayisa nge-South Africa kwi-China because i-China ibibuka njengokuthi want to dominate umnotho wamazwe. So uJacob Zuma wagxekwa njengomongameli ukuthi wakha ubudlelwane neChina neRussia. By the same people, the same organization today is a China with Ramaphosa. So it's okay to be in China because ubudlelwane neChina uma sokuyibona basemandleni. But when the opposition it was not okay. Yikho ngithi lento ye-GNU inomngozi nobubi obuningi kuyona. Ubuhle buncane but ububi buningi. Kodwa as time goes by abantu bazobona. So ingakho ngithi Action SA siyabonga amashabo ukuthi we decided ungabi ingxenye ye-GNU ngoba this GNU I don't think it's good for our country. Where is the media? You can go and Google what DA have said about China, but where are they today? John, leader of DA, is in China today, celebrating. Hleka uzosushi laphayana, uyaqhephuka, uthi lamakomanisi osushi ngoba hamba no Ramaphosa. Wake up, South Africa.